Here is a problem from SAT. You're given two right triangles, and in one of the right triangles, one of the acute angles is 4x minus 14, and in the other right triangle, one of the acute angles is x minus 1. So notice the triangles are different and the expressions are different. But here is the information that's going to be useful. It says sine of 4x minus 14. So whatever this angle is, if you take the sine of that, is going to be equal to cos of x minus 1. Now if you recall, there is an identity. So let's go ahead and try to find x. So here is the cofunction identity I'm going to use. If you have sine of 90 degrees minus x or minus theta, that is equal to cos theta. Now this is called cofunction identity because if sine of an angle is equal to cos of some other angle, then what is the relationship between these two angles? Look at these two angles, 90 degrees minus theta and theta. When you add them, you get 90 degrees. So these angles are called complementary angles, and that's where the prefix co comes from, complementary. And in fact, sine of 90 degrees minus theta is really complementary sine, which is defined as cosine theta. So, in other words, now let's go ahead and use this to solve for x. We are given sine of something equals cosine of something. Now those angles should add up to 90, which means this is the equation I need to solve. 4x minus 14 is this angle plus x minus 1, and that happens to be 90. So it's a matter of just combining like terms. 4x plus x is 5x. Minus 14 minus 1 is minus 15 equals 90. Add 15 on both sides, you get 5x equals 105, or x equals 21, and that's your answer.